Turns out that some of the best storytelling advice you could ever get has been sitting on a Bluey themed coffee mug that my wife and son gave me many years ago. I'm working on a brand new data viz project today using data that I have never seen before. It's an absolutely beautiful morning. You can hear all these birds. So twinned towns or sister cities are a form of legal or social agreement between two geographically or politically distinct localities. Now, I didn't memorize that. It's right from the TidyTuesday GitHub repo. Right off the bat, we know that this data set is huge. It's going to be all the cities and all the localities in the world. I'm going to narrow it down to Japan, because me and my family went on a vacation to Japan last April. I'm thinking we'll have Japan and a whole bunch of lines leaving the cities of Japan and connecting to these sister cities that are connected to these cities in Japan. Very beautiful day. Take a look. Do you know how to spell the word continents? If we go with my initial plan, here's my attempt at a quick drawing of Japan, something like this. There's going to be 965 lines coming out of it, connecting to 6 different continents, 58 different countries. That this is going to get overwhelming fast. I don't know how successful this approach is going to be. So I think one approach could be creating like a interactive application where you can have all the different cities in Japan that are clickable. And as you click each city, all the sister cities that are connected to that chosen city would appear beside it, and you could navigate and interact with each individual continent or country or all the cities in that way. But as I think more and more about that idea, I don't know how much I love it. It hides a lot of the data through interactions, and it isn't quite achieving the visual impact or look and feel that I'm really after. So I don't know if this idea is going to work out either. But then I remembered this poster that we have hung in our bathroom about the birds of North America, which handles an enormous amount of data in a really elegant way. I thought, well, this might just be it. But it was time for a break. I'd been working on this project all day and hadn't had a chance to connect with my son at all. So we went for a walk, got to throw the football around a little bit, enjoy the nice weather before it starts getting way too hot. And in the end, it was really nice. I'd been so hyper-focused on this project all day that getting outside, getting a walk, seeing some nature, and having fun with my family, it was pretty nice. Well, it is day 2 of working on this graphic. If I want to be able to finish these sorts of videos in a timely manner, I don't think I can get as complicated as I want to get. Because I could probably spend a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks on this viz. So I'm going to try to simplify what I'm doing now a little bit, and then keep that in mind as a lesson learned for the next one. All right. Back to it. I started to think about how I could leverage the design solutions for the Birds of North America poster, and so I worked out a sketch and decided the approach would look a little something like this. Well, it's done, and I'm pretty happy with it. It turned out to be sort of a compromise between all the different ideas that I had to solve the sister cities visualization. It's an interactive app. I'm able to leverage the connecting lines without it being overwhelming, and it allows users to explore either the cities of Japan or the cities of the other continents in a way that's at least relatively organized. Now, I could keep pushing and pushing this app to make it better and better and better, but it's time to call it quits. Overall, it was a pretty good 2 days.